Oh, it's right on there, yeah.
We might take less.
That's cool. It's like the Porsche of irons.
Huh?
It's like the Porsche of irons. You're just digging through stuff.
That's what I found. I found a chair.
I said we're just digging through stuff.
Wait, is this a recliner?
I don't know if they've started yet. Have they?
They're setting up.
Gotcha. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Got some golf clubs. I am tired this morning. Miracle thaw. Anna's in a recliner over there. That lady's buying all the chairs.
Let me say, you're not going to be able to sell it until you put it together. It's weird.
And we may have to do that stuff.
$3 for a big pot.
Whose car is that?
It's heavy duty. Oh man, way over. Pressure cooker. What do you think? Want some kitchenwares? Oh no, not too enthralled by this. Are you, Anna?
Yeah.
You like it?
No, I only like the recliner.
That's a cool bowl.
It's so comfy.
I'm gonna buy that apple bowl. Morning, how are you? Do you know who's selling the apple?
Say it again.
Who's selling this?
We're all together.
Oh, okay. Can I buy that?
Hardick County. We do volunteer work. Sure. Yeah, $2.
Cool. That's pretty neat. There you go.
Thank you. Were you still gonna look around, or
Yeah, I think
Okay.
we're still putting some stuff out.
you
but
might need to put that at the?
grab it, yeah.
Yeah, I'll give that to my sister. Linda.
Okay.
Yeah, we're all together.
Okay, cool.
I think I might ask less on the recliner.
How much is it? 12? I could just put it in my car too.
You gonna put it in the car?
I can put it in the car, yeah.
Where do you want me to go in?
25 cents. Yeah.
Okay. Pregúntale para mí.
Right. You can't go wrong with Slinky. What are these? Like little vision. Alright, let's go over here. See what else we got. What is this? Fire alarms. We gotta really start digging into stuff because they're not picking it out. I kind of want that big ooh, what is this? Cast iron?
Yeah, I do.
I don't know if that's worth anything. No clue. Metro. I don't know on either of those. Mid-century cookware. I don't know if that's really anything. That's all the pricing, I think, right? Spooky, scary skeletons. Oh, and a creepy babies. It's nice because they're super creepy.
Its hair fell off.
I need to find something that costs 3 quarters. Oh, maybe I'll find more toys. That's kind of cool. We'd need a bath.
Ooh, look at him.
Where's Anna?
She's buying flowers. Is this cool?
Sure. What is this? A paintball gun?
This is what I want because it barks.
How about 25 cents?
Do you have a quarter?
Flowers. You got flowers? Yes. Oh wait. Look at over there. Oh.
I think
Yeah,
it
that's a
is.
quarter, yeah.
They all look different, don't they? Thank you.
25, 10. Yeah, there's flowers.
How much is Buzz Lightyear there? Did someone already buy that?
I already got that.
He already bought it. Okay. Hey, don't hit each other. This one's 5, and then I don't know, that's maybe another
Oh,
buck.
it's an
right?
inch.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably so. We'll make it another $1 if that's
Yeah.
okay with you.
That's from
That'll be $6.
Yeah. Yeah, right?
That's from Puppy Dog.
I know. Let's see if I have a 5. You said you don't have a lot of change?
No.
3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have some more change.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And
Yeah.
I'll come back again.
Thank you.
Try to have one every year. Maybe not this large, but every
Yeah,
year.
cool. Thank you. Morning.
Hi, good morning.
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Dog terrier over there? Nope.
Ooh, a cowboy hat.
I found a swing.
A mole trap.
Or what did you guys
They're dope.
Sort of. I've been to one game and it was fun.
They're fun.
Yeah, they're fun to go to. He was rooting for the Sabres though, so just because he knew I wasn't rooting for the Sabres.
My friend was.
What's this? Bingo bag?
It's hard to root against your friend. Kind of easy with your dad though.
Would you do
Trap.
$7 on this?
Hey, we could catch those in our.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Why would you need that mole
There's
trap?
moles in North Carolina.
Yeah, there's moles. That's why there's holes and stuff in our yard.
Oh no.
What's this?
It's just a.
And then, she would put all the pets in it.
You do 8 for that, and then I'll be at 15.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. It's $2.
Thank you, sweetie. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You have 5 back.
5. You got a 5.
Dad, look at this thing.
What?
They're amazing
No.
baby dolls.
I don't know if there's some more. You might just drive through the neighborhood.
Oh, you pulling some stuff out still? Oh, you mean some more sales? I got you.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's
Ink
a
reader?
disposal, brand new.
Oh, for like under the sink?
Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
Put these on the legs and then they go. It goes.
Wow.
Oh.
You could tuck her down to like 10 or something. if you want.
Wow. Talk her down. I'm teaching them to be little negotiators.
Well, that's a couple things we have for some other folks, so
Yeah.
that's just kind of hard to negotiate for some of the stuff, and they should get here soon, so.
Yeah.
But today, everything has been pretty good. Like all of the deals were nice. Everything was working really good.
I'm going to do it.
Okay, you should.
All right. Why not, right? You only live once.
Well, it's
You
good.
should live with the disposal.
Thank you so much. Yep.
All right, thank you.
I like this for my baby dolls.
Your room is so full of stuff. Do you really have space for it?
Yes.
You get the bag. Yeah, you got the bag.
Yeah, I got that. It's your call, Anna. It's your money. I'm going to put this in the car, Anna. You can... Diapers. That's a cool old iron. That's really cool. How much is your iron? Oh, it's right on there, yeah.
We might take less though.
That's cool. It's like the Porsche of irons. It's like the Porsche of irons. Phoenix Gold.
Yeah, my mom bought it for me. I was like, well, I don't really iron much anymore, but
That's cool.
my husband sticks his stuff in the dryer.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Wait,
It is cool though.
what's cool? Put your hand up. FBI.
I don't think the FBI uses 6-shooters.
Maybe.
On TV.
Yeah.
Orphan Black. Oh, cool. Some Loot Crate books. Calligraphy. That's kind of cool. $1. Had that for $1.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, it's so funny for Callan's birthday. Look how funny this is.
Yeah, it's at 50. They're hiring like 60 people right now.
I don't got $1.
They're
Build-A-Bear.
30.
$1. He's cute. AA plush.
Trust me, I've seen her hat and I've bugged her twice about you now. So she knows.
Prom thing. Oh, okay.
He's like, so she knows I want you fired. I'm cool with it as that.
Do you want to see it work?
If I don't get it, whatever, just keep on trying.
Would you do 10 on your fancy iron?
Pardon?
Would you do 10 on your fancy iron?
Yeah, I'll take 10 for it.
Okay, so 12.
Okay.
Cool. You guys selling any video games?
No.
I saw the Loot Crate stuff, so
hoard
someone's
those.
into cool stuff here.
Thank you.
I keep all the video games.
Yeah.
The other stuff I get rid of, I'm like,
Yeah.
I don't got space for that.
Yeah, I like the little figures and stuff.
Yeah,
like
they forced me to be a Funko Pop collector. 'Cause
I know, it just happens.
I got one of the Mandalorian Funkos. So I'm
Yep.
like, all right, well, I guess I have to buy all of these and put them on a shelf together because
Yeah.
Baby Yoda looks sad.
I know. I got the Baby Yoda and I got the big Mandalorian. What are you doing, Anna?
Buying the TV.
What is this? Anna, don't break that.
Well, that's
Don't break it unless you're buying it. I don't think you really need it, no. How much is it? How much did you ask how much it is? There's no way it's $1.
She's got a tag on it.
$20.
$20, Anna. That's
Oh,
like
that's
all
only
yours.
because it's 22 inches.
Yeah, $1 an inch.
We'll give you a $2 discount.
There you go. Yeah.
You want to take the first one?
All right, thank you. Hey everyone, thanks for coming with me on those yard sales today. I think I missed some stuff at that first one. I'm not sure. I was watching my footage back. Some of those pots and pans I'm just not sure on. I'm not super knowledgeable on pots and pans. But, you know, I had a good time. I got some cool things. I did get that paintball find. It was like a bag full of paintball stuff. It's actually got balls in it. The paintball gun and all this other stuff. Where's the paintball gun? Right here. This isn't anything like super fancy. It looks like it sells for 20-25 bucks. I think that thing of hoppers, I think that's what they're called, things that hold the paintballs, probably can sell the little belt that I got. And then the actual, maybe they're not called hoppers, because I think the thing called a hopper is the thing that goes on top of the gun. Anyways, I got one of those called Extreme Rage, and it's like powered, and it feeds the paintballs really fast. I looked that one up, and it does look like that one sells for like $20 to $30 whenever it gets listed. but it's not very common, right? There's none listed right now, so I went high. I listed it for 40, and we'll see if I get any movement on it. So that $5 paintball buy should, let's say I get 20 for the hopper, 20 for the gun, and 10 for the other piece, should get me 50 bucks. So I should 10x my money there. So that's good. I bought these cool apple dishes because I like them. Might keep them, might give them to my mom, or I might sell them. It looks like they sell for like 20 bucks if I wanted to sell them, but they'll be kind of hard to ship if I do decide to go that path. So I'm not sure yet. And then at the last sale, I bought like some crazy iron. I paid a lot for it. I paid 10 bucks for it. I don't know if I'd buy it again for 10. I did look it up. It does sell for around 40. So I will make a good profit. I'll 4x my money. So I'm not going to complain about that, but I was hoping it was worth a little more. It did feel really premium, but I guess $40 for an iron is a lot, a used iron. So I guess it was a good iron. I probably just should have paid 5 bucks for it, not what I did pay, but it's not the end of the world. Got a little calligraphy book right here. Found some sold comps for around 10 for this. I gotta look through it though. I'm not sure on the condition. I might not even be able to sell it. I figured worst case scenario, my kids would like it and they'd keep it. So wasn't really a risk there, and it was only $1. So yeah, pretty good stuff. Nothing huge, nothing amazing, but we had a good time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you next time.